What was the inspiration for this fascinating installation here at the booth of Covestro at JEC World in Paris?
So it was a simultaneous exploration of fiber composites in technology and design. So how can our computational design and robotic fabrication techniques and methods really give an interesting design input at the same time? So lightweight construction and design expression and material expression unified in this expressive fair booth piece.
Okay. And how did you run the construction? What was the technique behind and the materials that you used for this construction?
So the starting point of the project was to explore Desmocomp, a new resin system in a design application. And we chose carbon fiber composite to be very light, use as less material as possible, at the same time be sturdy enough like a furniture piece like that needs to be. The technique that we use is called a filament winding, which is a robot winding endless fiber rovings around a very simple frame, where the geometry is emerging through the process, which is quite interesting because we don't have a mold milled out of foam and then apply the fibers, but the fibrous articulation and the surfaces of the piece are really emerging through the instructions we give to the robot, which is a very material efficient fabrication method, and at the same time allows us to explore a new design paradigm at the same time.
Okay. And where could I find other works and other objects that you created?
So currently we're working on multiple scales, maybe starting from the furniture scale that we see here. One step up is a mobile installation that we're currently building for the Technical University of Munich. Which is modular, light, transportable, will be shown in several public spaces. It's currently at show in the German museum, Deutsche Museum in Munich. Will later be transported to Frankfurt and exhibited there. Other applications are in the facade sector, building construction. And then the largest step is actually load-bearing structures in architecture, where we also recently got a very interesting commission for a 30-meter wide-span carbon fiber shell that will be fabricated by the end of the year.